General Motors, a century of automotive innovation and evolution. General Motors, GM, is an iconic American automotive corporation with a history that spans over a century. Founded in 1908 by William C. Durant, GM has played a pivotal role in shaping the global automotive industry. This comprehensive video explores the rich history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects of General Motors. Founding and early growth. General Motors was formed through the merger of several independent automakers, including Buick, Oldsmobile, Cadillac, and Oakland. William C. Durant played a central role in consolidating these companies into GM. Post-World War II prosperity. GM experienced unprecedented growth and prosperity in the post-World War II era, becoming the world's largest automaker and an emblem of American industrial might. Industry transformations. Over the years, GM navigated through various industry transformations, including the oil crisis of the 1970s and the globalization of the automotive market. Corporate structure and key brands. General Motors operates with a complex corporate structure, comprising multiple brands and divisions. GM, the parent company, oversees brands like Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. GM's brand portfolio includes Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, Holden, and Baojun, each catering to specific market segments and regions. Technological advancements. Automotive innovations. GM has been a pioneer in automotive innovations, introducing advancements such as the automatic transmission, catalytic converters, and OnStar connectivity. Electric vehicle (EV) leadership. The company is committed to electric mobility, with the Chevrolet Bolt EV being one of the first affordable long-range electric vehicles. GM aims to transition to an all-electric future. General Motors is investing in autonomous vehicle technology through its Cruise Automation subsidiary, aiming to develop self-driving vehicles for ride-sharing services. Sustainability initiatives. Environmental stewardship. GM is dedicated to reducing its carbon footprint through various initiatives, including vehicle electrification, energy-efficient manufacturing, and sustainable sourcing. Electric vehicle commitment. GM announced plans to invest heavily in electric vehicles, with a goal of launching 30 electric models globally by 2025 and achieving carbon neutrality by 2040. Community and social responsibility. The company is actively involved in community engagement, philanthropy, and diversity and inclusion initiatives, contributing positively to society. General Motors operates in numerous countries and regions, with manufacturing plants, research and development centers, and a vast network of dealerships worldwide. GM has a significant economic impact, providing jobs, supporting local economies, and contributing to technological advancement in regions where it operates. Social responsibility. The company actively engages in social responsibility efforts, including disaster relief, STEM education programs, and initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion. Electric and autonomous vehicles. GM is committed to leading the electric vehicle market and aims to offer a range of electric models across its brands while advancing its autonomous driving technology. Mobility solutions. The company is exploring mobility as a service (MaaS) concepts and investing in ride-sharing and urban mobility solutions to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Sustainability and corporate responsibility. GM continues to prioritize sustainability and corporate responsibility, seeking to be a leader in responsible and ethical business practices. In conclusion, General Motors' enduring legacy as an automotive giant is characterized by its century-long history, diverse brand portfolio, commitment to innovation, and evolving approach to sustainability. GM's efforts to lead the transition to electric mobility and autonomous driving exemplify its dedication to shaping the future of transportation. With a global presence and a strong focus on responsible business practices, General Motors remains a key player in the automotive industry, poised for continued growth and innovation in the years to come.